It's not a game.
This is some kids JDM dream garage here. Some Starlet JDM guys dream garage.
Listen, this is my baby. This
is it?
Well,
I thought you were the other one was your baby, bro.
I've got a few babies. It's got a few babies. Literally that one of one in UK.
Oh, is it?
It's a V-Reg 1999. They stopped production.
I didn't even know they come 99.
That's what I mean. Like you get the
Yeah, I didn't even know they come 99.
Is T-Reg. V-Reg is one of one.
Yeah.
That's a CT9 hybrid. It's got BLITZ access ECU, so it has like a little map on it already.
Yeah, yeah.
It's got Evo 8 seats in it.
Okay.
Full live sports body kit, live sports side skirts, and that's a jam front splitter and jam in the bum. We need to give it a once over, but I'm never gonna drive it, so it doesn't matter. Just put the seat back in and stuff.
Yeah. Even these come in RECAROs?
No,
Oh.
not with these RECAROs. These are someone basically custom modified the rails. Can you see
Oh,
the
yeah.
to make them fit. Otherwise, you wouldn't get these seats in this car. But it's when you're sitting in them, comfy. Sit in it.
They feel comfy, you know. Oh, yeah. These grippy well.
Very nice.
Huh?
Wait until the next bucket seats I show you.
I tell you something. These are made for my size.
Yeah. Don't worry.
What do you want?
Don't worry. No. Wait. We're going to sit in something else, yeah?
Is it?
You're not going to be able to get out. Watch.
Oh, we're not done yet, people.
Right,
Stay tuned. We're not done yet.
So they were quite comfy, aren't they?
They were comfy, bro. They're quite comfy.
So this is about 190 brake. This is.
Alright.
It's not tuned that high.
Yeah.
This got a TDR4 turbo.
Alright. So
Are you familiar with TDR4? You're a
TDR4,
school guy.
yeah.
Come on.
Subaru. Is it Subaru TDR4?
Yeah, Subaru TDR4.
Alright.
So this was my track car, but until it got a bit neglected.
Yeah.
It's got bright carbon back seats, sitting there.
Yeah. This is probably why he's saying I won't be able to get out.
Shall I hold it? Go on.
This is probably why he's saying I won't.
So I have to take over this vlog. Watch him.
Look. His leg comes over. Does this leg?
Squeeze it. Bismillah.
I can't fit. Yo.
Like track ready.
That is.
Yo.
I'm telling you, when you're on track with the harness on, you can't move.
You can't move at all.
You can't move.
I can't even like turn and move
Yeah,
my
no.
legs. It's not nothing.
It's solid, isn't it?
Not moving, but oh.
No.
But you know, I like your position though, because your arms have to be a bit like bang on
ready?
like that. Is this your seating position?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Solid car though.
Yeah.
Honestly. If one of these are running, I'd take out one of these. I'm telling you, we might struggle to get out of it. Bismillah. Oh, give a crutch, man. Let it get out. But yeah, this is this one I bought for years as well.
Yeah.
This is 240 brake. This.
240. Yes.
Shall I show you the engine?
Let's see the engine. I know these 1.3s and these, man. They. Whoa.
Look at that. It's a bit dusty, isn't it?
Yeah.
But
Oh.
it's that's a race tech TDR4 kit though.
Oh, and he's got a dump as well.
Yeah, so
Or
it's got
two
tile wastegate, external wastegate, straight back out.
Oh yeah, look,
It's got,
Subaru turbo.
OEM LSD, TDR4, HKS fuel rail. What else has it got? Meister arc coilovers. That's a HKS earthing kit. That.
Yeah. Even that's what I'm saying. Even that's stray. You know that? Even that's stray. I'm not seeing one of them.
Yeah, HKS earthing kit. That's called. Just 1 second.
No way.
Red Bull. What's this on?
Just a cover.
This looks crazy. I've never seen one of these.
Look, that's a boost control valve. So you can change the boost. Subaru turbo.
Still a Subaru page, you see. What are these? All these? All these?
This is the exhaust manifold. So the exhaust,
Why is
you
it
know,
working
like,
different ways?
because it goes out, goes round, and then goes down into the turbo. Turbo pushes, goes out whoosh, into the turbo, builds more pressure. This must scream loud though. Do you know that?
Oh, yeah. Let's go screamer pipe.
Yeah, look.
Does it?
Yeah, look, that's the screamer pipe there. See this pipe here?
Yeah, it's going down the floor.
That's going down to the floor.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Not this.
Oh, it's got a Civic radiator in it as well. So normally the full size radiator comes
Yeah.
between here,
Oh,
and
yeah.
obviously with the turbo kit, it
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
fit.
it don't fit.
So you've got to get a triple core Civic radiator with custom pipes work just to get it to sit there. But these cars are mashallah. So when I drive them,
Yeah.
the amount people look like I don't like the attention you get in this.
Yeah, yeah.
Better than what I'd get in my M3. I'm telling you. Because when people see these, they be like, they don't be wondering like, they be like, what's that?
Yeah,
They
yeah.
don't know what it is.
They don't know what it
It's
is,
not
yeah.
Toyota budget, it's like-
Especially this day and age.
Yeah, no, they be confused.
Look at this. What year is it?
These are got things on your
This
Honda.
is 1996.
996.
Yeah, 1996.
Yeah.
Old
But it's quite clean. No rust, nothing.
It's got a bit of rust when you look at it very carefully, but it's been sat outside for a couple of years. I
Yeah,
don't really
but
get time to
compare-
drive it. Yeah. Only now,
for
only the
its
last
age.
year or so, it's been sat inside. Before that, it would be sat outside.
Hold on, he's got his pouch, bro. Look at his pouches. He's taking us everywhere today.
So these are the cars that I'm prepped.
Alright.
The odd box. And then here.
Oh, I didn't know you could go inside. Yeah.
I didn't even know
Oh,
this.
yeah.
I didn't even see this. Oh.
This is a showroom in progress. It's only been here about 6 months, but
Do you know what? We need to pull our car in here quickly.
once the cars are prepped up,
Yeah.
they come in here. So like these 3 Civics, that's what we'll be selling it, all these Civics.
Alright, yeah.
They're for sale. These are some rare cars here.
You love your Glanzas though, don't you?
This one, I'm 24, this one I've had since I was 18.
Oi.
And I've probably done about 1,000 miles. It's all tuned, everything in Japan.
Oh, so it's
When I say
JDM
it's got
import.
spec,
Yeah.
people say fully loaded.
Yeah.
You're not ready for the spec on this car. These extras in this car that I've basically accumulated since I was 16.
Wow.
For example, like if you ask anybody in UK, ask anybody out there who's got rear cup holders for a Glanza,
Yeah.
nobody.
So rear cup holders
Rear
is,
cup holders for an EP91 Glanza.
is the lick for starting.
I think I'm the only person in UK who
Wow.
You know how much it cost me?
How much?
£225.
Bloody hell, for cup holders.
Holders. So when everyone else, when everyone else
fully
was out,
stopped it.
when they were 16, chilling and everything,
Yeah.
I was there putting my coppers together, to rear cup holders, because trust me, they're that rare. And then it's got 6 DEFI gauges, oil temperature,
Even this-
exhaust temperature.
So,
So I've changed the bumper and it's got a facelift.
Yeah, that's what
98
I was
bumper.
thinking, it's not
Normally-
standard bumper.
No, normally it's a pre-facelift with this year, so 96. So car's older than me. The car's
Yeah.
actually, I'm born in 97, but this is made in 96.
yeah.
And it's got the RECARO.
So you're keeping this one?
Yeah, whatever. So that's not for sale to my brothers.
Alright.
That's another rare car. It's the EP82 GT Advance.
Right.
So basically the top's black, bottom's
Yeah.
grey.
So it comes like that from
Yes,
factory.
and these advanced editions come with a factory LSD.
Alright.
They're very, very, very.
Does yours have LSD as well?
Yeah, this has got a Cusco.
Yours is a Glanza.
This is a Glanza. That's a GT.
That's a GT.
So they're the older ones.
Yeah,
And these are
yeah.
the new ones basically.
Oh, okay, yeah.
But that's very, very rare.
I had the
This is-
opportunity
this
to
is getting
drive
rare.
one of them when I was younger.
Yeah.
Very fast cars.
Wicked, mashallah.
I don't know.
Do you know, Shabbat, do you know how we got into cars, by the way?
Right.
My dad had a Starlet, not even like that, that's a Glanza, Starlet UK spec
Yeah.
as a delivery car.
Yeah, alright.
And my brother was like, you know what, because we've got a takeaway for years.
Yeah,
and he was like, listen, I want to get into like, modifying it up and stuff.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
he's about 13, joined
Alright.
Starlet pages.
Yeah.
This was forum, not in Facebook pages,
Alright.
forums.
Okay.
And started doing mods and stuff to get into side splits for it and all sorts.
Yeah,
and
man.
From there,
Do you know what I mean, bro? You're
That's how
17
you
now,
know.
you're a bit late. Come on,
Trust
get on
me.
this Honda scene.
Trust me, you need to be on it.